You can stay put. And so, just to let you guys know, Saksham cracked his SSB very recently from Allahabad, and he is joining us now today for sharing his experiences. So, Saksham, can you? He was our student of online batch. So, can you, come online and just share your experience of SSB?
So yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
So, what was your preparation like before you went? How were you preparing? And then when you went to SSB, how was it like? How did you handle things? You have not met you actually physically. You've also
Yes,
been sitting like this in the group. So, how did you prepare? First, you tell us your mode of preparation, then you take us to what the SSB experiences.
yes, sir. So I was part of Online 17. So I took my coaching in the month of February. So I had a lot of time to prepare for myself. So what I did was, sir, all the notes which you had given us and all that was my main source of preparation. For my psych, sir, I would usually prepare it on my own. I would time myself and do all the different kind of all the tests which are there, and I would time myself, and then I would take help from I would take suggestions from my father if I would show it to him, and getting I was improving. And same was with that, sir. I was timing myself at the beginning. I was only about able to do around 40-45 words, but then I used to make short sentences and I used to get better, and then I was able to do around 55 to 60.
Okay.
So psych was that, sir. Used to prepare on my own time myself.
Yeah.
And for interview, sir, the mock interview which sir I had given with AMAS, it was really helpful, sir. I got to know my weaknesses and my points which I needed to improve upon, and I had noted them down, so I used to work on them. And self introspection was there, sir, about myself, and I used to note down everything which I felt was relevant. And for GTO, sir, you had taught, sir. I had made the notes around for everything, all the GTO tasks which are there. Lecture, sir, I used to practice with a group of my friends. We used to do a video call, and then we used to give lecturettes, and we used to practice GD together. So that was good practice. And yes, sir, this is how I used to prepare.
And when you went there, how was your stage one PPTT experience? And then after, what kind of photos you got in TAT and then GTO ground? Let's share that experience also.
So yes, sir. Sir, in screening, sir, there were 39 of us who reported, and 22 of us got screened in, sir. Out of those, 8 were freshers. So PPDT, sir. First there was OIR. It was, sir, basic sets and around half an hour to solve them. And they were basically easy questions, but a little time management was there. Easy questions, but then you have to manage your time. So, and for PPDT, sir, for my group, we were 13 freshers in one group, and the picture was shown. It was around. It was like a dark theme picture, scene of a library, and there were three people who were sitting and studying. So I made a story that one of they are three of them are aspirants, and one takes the initiative to they call his friends into the to the library to for a group study, and then they achieve their aims and they crack the IS and they become officers. This was my story. And for discussion, sir, my narration went pretty well. I was constantly you know re, no. Constantly I was reading my story in my mind. I had around half an hour for that, so it was very good. Narration was very good. I completed it in 1 minute without stopping. And for discussions, sir, I spoke 3 to 4 times. I wasn't trying to dominate. I whenever I spoke, sir, people, my group used to listen to me. So that was that. I wasn't trying to dominate anybody or anything like that. So that was that, sir. Screening procedure. And sir, the next day, day two was psych. So it started around 7 in the morning. So it went on for around, it goes on for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So for first was TAT, sir. So pictures were basically very neutral kind of pictures. And there were two pictures where the one person was shown drowning. So I was following the all the basics which you had taught us. Don't avoid stimulus and empower the hero, and positive mindset. So that was that. Pictures were easy. I could do all of them. And for the 12th picture, I had prepared myself, sir, beforehand only. I knew what I was going to write, and I did that. And for next was WAT, sir. So in WAT, I did around 55 WATs, and that is the key, sir. You write short sentences. You don't have to write complete sentences, and don't try and do every WAT as many as you can.
Right.
Then was SRT, sir. SRT is again same things which you are taught us, short sentences, not even sentences, just comma, action, comma, something like that. So I did around 45 WAT, sir.
SRTs. SRTs. Correct.
Yes, sir. And then SD, sir, I had prepared, I had introspection and all that. I had prepared it, so I did that, sir. So that was my psych. And then, sir, right after psych, I was called for my interview. So
Okay.
yes, sir, on the same day. So my
Right.
interview went for around 45 minutes, and it basically revolved around my education, and then my family background and military knowledge and general knowledge. So
Okay.
I was given, as soon as I entered, I sat down. The interviewer, sir, just gave me a rapid fire about my education to 10th onwards and what I'm doing now, what I'll do next.
CAQs. Basically CAQs.
Yes, sir. Yes,
CAQ
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fine.
Yes, sir. I was, and also military knowledge, sir. I was preparing, sir, and GK also. I used to prepare, sir, on the AMAS websites. I used to visit daily and read all the articles relevant, national, international military news, and also I used to study from YouTube. So that was that. I able to answer most of the questions, sir. And
Okay.
yes, sir. That was about the
Any
interview.
any any difficult questions? Any current affairs issues which were taken due to what this thing you could not
Sir,
handle?
my interview just asked me ki, what are the things which you have prepared, three national and three international events. So
So
I
you had
told them,
prepared. Yeah.
yes,
So
sir.
did he
And
did he probe into those? Any one of those into detail? He did.
yes, sir. The topics which I told him that I have studied these topics, sir, he was grilling me on those, sir. He was into deep, sir. He was asking everything about minute details also.
Okay.
So yes, sir. I was able to answer because I had studied them thoroughly.
Interesting.
Yes,
And
sir. And
how was
then
your GTO ground experience? How did it start off? GD, GP.
so yes, sir. So one thing was there. We were in my group. We were 8 freshers. So I think that was good. My group all were freshers. So it started off with GD, group discussion 1 and 2, and both the GD, sir, I initiated. I started the discussion, and again I was listening to everybody, and I spoke 3 to 4 times in each GD, and then spoke for 30 to 40 seconds, and then I was listening to others as well, and voice I wasn't trying to dominate, and I think that one shouldn't do because it goes in a negative sense. And yes, sir, GD went well, both the GDs, and GTO even said that, gentlemen, yes, you have had a very productive discussion, and it was a very good discussion
Oh,
in
great.
both the GDs. He said it, so it was
GTOs hardly remark like this. You people must have really
yes.
discussed it well. Well.
Yes, sir, group was good. Everyone was listening to each other, and it was very civilized group discussions. It was taking place, so it was good, sir.
And how was your outdoor task experience, PGT and all? GT, GTO.
Yes, sir. In our PGT, we were stuck on the third obstacle, sir. Halfway there, we got stuck. But then I was also throughout the PGT, I was contributing. I was involved with the group. I was helping if someone needed any help. I was helping him. I was
Mhm.
giving out suggestions, and I was on the. I was ahead. I was always ahead. I had some helping material in my hand all the time, and we
Mhm.
were helping each other. But we got stuck in the on the third one, and then our time ran out, sir.
Oh,
That was PGT.
and
Other than PGT, everything went very smoothly, sir.
okay,
It was all good. HGT we were able to do in 5 minutes because then we started getting ideas. I
right.
also gave an idea, so that was good. HGT
Command
and
task, lecturate, individual obstacles. How was that?
yes, sir. Then next day, sir, no, sorry, last day one, last was lecturate. So for my lecturate, sir, I gotten. I remember one was Niti Aayog, one was water crisis. I can't remember the third one, and fourth one was my best friend. So I spoke on water crisis. I spoke for exactly 3 minutes, sir, and it was good. I didn't stop anywhere, and I was confidently speaking, so it was good, went well. And that was day one, sir. Then day two, there were individual obstacles. I did 10, and I had to repeat 2 obstacles because I broke the rules. So I repeated them, but then I was able to do all the 10 obstacles. And next was, sir, command task. For my command task, it went well, sir. We were a group of eights, and I was called 4 times to be subordinate. So that was good. And I was given the time bomb
Okay.
CT.
CT. Okay.
Yes, and I gave solutions, and then he was putting handicaps. Like, okay, now this has turned red. What will you do? 3, 4 times he gave me. Then I gave the solutions. I was able to complete it well within time, sir.
Okay. And how was the conference? What did they ask you?
Sir, for my conference, sir, I had to wait around for 10 minutes before I was called in. And then in conference, sir, interviewer, sir, straight away asked me one SRT, sir,
Oh,
about organizing skills, sir. It was, you have to organize a sports day event in your school, and how will you
okay.
go about it?
Okay.
So I was able to answer that, sir, well. And he asked me about my coaching, sir. In the interview also, he asked me from where you have taken your coaching, and then in a conference also, he asked me
अच्छा,
from
in
where you have
conference
taken
also,
your coaching. I was,
Allahabad में. So what did
yes,
you
sir.
say?
First, he asked me, sir, what duration, and then what were the medium. I told him I had taken 2 weeks coaching, and it was an online session.
Mhm.
And then he asked me, sir, ki, okay, what feedback all your 3 SSs you gave to you.
Hmm.
So I told sir, for my interview, I had given a mock interview, and then sir had told me certain things which I needed to work upon. I did
Hmm.
that. Then he asked me, okay, what about your psych?
Hmm.
So I told him my psych assessment, I was just told that I am on the right lines, like something like this. So he was like, okay, fine, yes, sir. That was all in the conference, sir.
Okay. So you are in Allahabad. Mostly in Allahabad, everybody knows me. They know Kal Ghosh. Kal Ghosh was he was a deputy president there in 80. Which was your
Sir,
SSB?
sir, mine was 34 SSB, sir.
Oh, yeah. So I have been in 14 and 19. Two tenure
Sir.
boards in Allahabad. So it's okay. I mean, we don't interfere in their process, but that inquisitiveness is always there. That's the reason probably they would have asked you. But that doesn't really go against you because today everybody goes well prepared, and it only rather shows nowadays it shows your seriousness if you have taken some guidance somewhere rather than going say, "Sir, मैं ऐसे ही आ गया, मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं था, मैंने इधर उधर से ढूंढा." You present batch students can speak it out. If you want to ask the present batch, other students will only type. Present batch, 24 batch student. If you want to ask anything, you can ask.
Excuse me. Congratulations for.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But my question was like in the conference, it was asked to you to organize a football match. So what was the answer to it? Can you please tell it?
Yes. So I said that I would organize it. Like I would gather all the officials, first of all, sports officials, and I would also keep a medical team ready, and I would also cater to the needs of the uh, uh, participants who are there. And then he said me, okay, then only now he gave me a handicap. He said, okay, only 3 field events have been organized till now, and it has started raining. What will you do? So I told him, sir, I would halt the event and I would check the weather forecast. And then he said, okay, no, for 24 hours there is rain. What will you do? So I said I would reorganize the event. I would conduct all the indoor events which are there on that day, and the next day after rain stops, I would go with the field events. Then he said, okay, then no, your principal tells you that rescheduling is not possible. What will you
So
do
they
then?
basically, they'll keep grilling till they push you to the corner. That is what
Yes,
it
sir,
is.
yes.
Right? Okay, yeah. Next question. Anybody
Yeah,
else wants to ask?
congratulations. Congrats. I want to
Thank you.
ask that as you went for Allahabad board, so were there questions in the way like profit and loss, like miscellaneous
Calculation.
section?
He wants to know calculation question.
Yeah,
Did they ask
miscellaneous
you?
questions were there or not?
ऐसा पहली बात तो ऐसा नहीं होता आदित्य कि इलाहाबाद बोर्ड में पूछेंगे या नहीं पूछेंगे और बैंगलोर में नहीं पूछेंगे या इलाहाबाद में प्रॉफिट लॉस पूछेंगे बैंगलोर में स्पीड पूछेंगे ऐसा नहीं है पहले तो ये मैं आपको बता
Sir,
दूं
because I
राइट
am
सो
also
होल्ड
going for
नहीं
Allahabad.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता इट इज फ्रॉम असेसर टू असेसर इलाहाबाद बोर्ड में 20 आईओज हैं 20 IOs in Allahabad, and each has a different way to ask. Okay. Well, let's ask Shaksham. Did you have any questions on calculation?
Yes, sir. I was asked basic questions about conversions, like kilometer per second per hour to meter per second, and conversion of length, like from feet to meters. It was basic questions, sir, like these.
Yeah, which we have made you practice, and थोड़ा सा उसको
No,
revise
sir, I
करके
am
जाना.
asking in the OIR section. OIR section I am asking for.
OIR में तो okay, OIR में conversion तो था क्या? OIR में बहुत
No, no,
अलग-अलग
sir.
sets हैं. मतलब OIR में
Just
नहीं होगा.
2-3 questions of maths were there. Rest it was no conversions asked.
Okay. Right. So I think we are running short of time, and we should thank Saksham for accepting our invitation. He was sitting in this class here, and now he's he's teaching you. Right. Some of the students are asking in the chat box about GD and all. Don't worry, you are yet to join us. Once you join, you will every day you will have so many GDs. You will have within 3 weeks at least 5-6 practices, and everything will be clear. Okay. So today we are slightly short of time, so we have to move with our feedback batch. But at the same time, I'm really happy to meet Saksham, though virtually. I'm looking forward to you visiting us and taking a tie from us physically someday if you are in Delhi. Are you near Delhi or somewhere in Delhi?
Sir, right now in Jabalpur, sir, but I'll be coming to Delhi, sir, soon. I'll definitely visit, sir.
Do
and
let
collect
us
my
know.
ticket.
Yeah, and take your
Sure.
tie and have a cup of tea with us. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir,
much.
sure, sir.
Right.
Sir.
So over to Afsana to initiate
Thank
the
you, sir.
last session. Thank you very much.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Saksham, and congratulations. Arjun,
Thank you.
sir, I'll request to stop the recording because the session is ended. We have about to move to the next part.
Okay, you please continue. Doesn't matter.
All right. So
Only thing we have to
the
be slightly
student-
time bound. Today we
yeah,
are running
sir.
short of time.